Hi, I'm Steve Breen, the owner and founder of Prosperion Financial Advisors. I believe there's never been a better time to be an investor. You see, advances in technology have leveled the playing field in truly an unprecedented way. These advances are great for you. So as we continue to see improvements in technology, I believe that investment management is going to become more and more a commodity. And that means that real financial advice will be the huge differentiator. Anyone can create a portfolio, an asset allocation, an investment strategy. We are even told that robots can do this through some concept now called robo-advisor. But what most people actually need is advice on how their investments fit with their overall financial plan. And more importantly, how their investments fit with their overall life. Both investment management and financial advice are necessary components for long-term success, but they do have their differences. So let's compare and contrast the two. So first off, investment management. Investment management is really all about the investments. What's in the portfolio? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, cash, money market instruments. Financial advice, on the other hand, is all about investor behavior. It's how you are going to respond when markets change, when life changes, when things naturally come up. Investment management is all about asset allocation. It's about rate of return. It's about risk tolerance. It's about beta. It's about fluctuation. Financial advice is all about making wise choices with your resources. It's all about your savings rate, your budget, your spend rate. It's all about when you start investing. Investment advice is really all about portfolio construction. So what percentage do you have in various asset classes? Financial advice is a comprehensive plan. It's a time-specific, date-specific, amount and income-specific plan that's tailored and designed to achieve your goals, your dreams, your objectives. Investment management is all about market changes and market fluctuation. What happened to the market today and what happened to my portfolio today? Financial advice is much more focused on a benchmark of your goals. So investment management might be focused on the S&P 500 as an index. Financial advice is really based on your index, your life, your needs. You know, we've never had a client retire because of what some index did. Investment management really is all about market changes, fluctuation, etc. Financial advice is about your life changes. Things do come up. What we try to do is make sure we make provisions for those things that are naturally going to come up. Investment management is all about where you invest your money. So what types of sectors, what types of holdings you may have, whether they're consumer companies or defense companies or this mutual fund or that ETF. Financial advice is really more about why you're investing. So what's the why behind making a decision for that particular investment? Is it the income off of it? Is it the growth off of it? What is the why behind that? After the why becomes the how and then the when. The how you invested might have to do with the investment vehicle. The when may have to do with your particular timing and how it fits into your life. Investment management really is all about market anxiety. You know, are you going to let the markets dictate how you feel on a daily basis? Are you going to let that have you feel good or feel bad? If so, that's a real bad recipe. Financial advice is really all about how you respond to life changes and life anxiety. Money, after all, and investments, after all, really need to be a complement to your life as opposed to something that brings about anxiety. They should free you to do things as opposed to holding you back. Investment management is really all about measuring your wealth based on a number that's on your statement. And candidly, we don't think about investment management that way. We think about financial advice and life being wealthy. You see, we believe that wealth is a state of mind and prosperity is a state of mind. So, Thinking about these two areas, investment management and financial advice, if you'd like to have a conversation with one of the advisors at Prosperion, please feel free to contact us. We would be delighted to sit down with you and get to know you. I'm Steve Breen. Thank you for listening today.